Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called a VLAN. It's like high level stage of a C2 framework that can handle a multiple reverse TCP and coax base cells, enhance their functionalities with additional features like command utilities and share them among with the connected sibling servers. And this VLAN instance is running on different machines. So my target machine is my attacker machine is Kali Linux, and my victim machine is one is with the Windows, another one is with the Ubuntu. This is my another machine. Now we would like to come back to our attacker machine. So in this, what are the main features we can get here in this Villian C2 framework? It's payload a generation based on default customizable and user defined for Windows and Linux, a dynamically engaged a pseudo shell prompt that can quickly swift between a shell session, file upload via HTTP, file-less execution of scripts against a active session, auto invoke competition against the PowerShell or reverse session is a new process to gain a fully interactive Windows shells. So multi-layer mode is also enabled for this, and Session Defender, a feature that inspect user issued command for mistakes or unintentional input that may cause a shell for a hang up. Okay, now we would like to try this. So first of all, let's we just go back here. So this is a VLAN C2 framework. Now let's come back, just copy this one. Let's just open the terminal. Now I would like to activate first a virtual environment. Now I just clone this repository. Once you have cloned this repository, then we would like to go further. Now we just go to here as VILLAI. Now you just type it as ls minus -l. There is a requirements. You just type it as pip3 install -r requirements.txt. Now it was done. Now just type here as clear ls minus -l. You just type it as a Python 3. Enter here violin.python. Now where I have see here, one is connected with the team server, one is with the reverse TCP multi handler, one is with the hoax shell, then another one is HTTP file a smuggler. Now we just need to utilize this one. So because I'm in a control environment, so it's a very easy way to do this one. When you are in non-control environment, you want to do it with the via WAN, wide area network. So you just need to get as a static IP address and you just try yourself. So it just this is in I type help. Now we would like to look here as we just look here as a first a sessions. No have any session, no active sessions. I have find here. Now I just put here as a backdoors. Oh sorry, backdoors. No active backdoors. So now we would like to try here as just type here as clear. Now just type here as help. We just try here as a generate. I would like to ask as a help. Required a payload agreement. You just type here as help for generate. Now generate a reversal command these functions like a VLAN core payload with a template and edit create your own. No main logic. Payload for OS type and maybe like Windows, otherwise Linux, handler payload template, localhost IP address interface. My localhost IP address interface is 0. You want to upscale you want to encode the payload, you can also encode. You can get like handlers like reverse TCP, OAX shell, everything you can try here. Now we would like to try this as first of all we just try here as for a Windows. For this we would like to try here as, let me just type here as clear. Now let's just close this. Now we just type here as a generate Now, what you need to generate for here as a payload equal to for a Windows as a netcat. Then you just type it as a PowerShell reverse underscore TCP. Then you just type it as lhost equal to ETH0. Let's be just payload template. It's not work out here. Now let's be just try here. Why it not work out? Let's just type here as clear. Why it's not going to be work out? So it may be work out. We just need to try very carefully. Now, first of all, let's. I would like to create a simple payload for a generate operating system for a Linux. Then lhost equal to ETH0. Uh, okay, sorry. A payload. No, it's not even get a proper way. Let's be just try this. Let's. We would like to try this very proper way. Sometimes it may give an error, so we just need to try in very proper way. Let's we just try here. Now let's we just try here as. Now just type it as generate payload for a Windows. Now I would like to use a coaxial. That's a little bit great. Coaxial. Now just type it as CMD. Just type it as a curl. Now just type it as lhost equal to ETH0. That's it. I have got here as generated. Now this is for as Windows. So let's entirely just copy this one. Now let's come back here. Oh, this is a Windows victim. Now open your terminal in the command prompt. Now you just pasted this and enter. You no need to worry. Virus threat is denied. So I didn't get here as anything else because of a this a virus. Let me just open here as again as CMD. Let's just try. I would like to disable this as Windows security. Let's just I just clear history. Come back to here. Virus and threat protection, the real-time protection of cloud delivery, and automatic sample submission. Then let's go to here as I would like to switch off this. Okay, now it's everything okay. Now we would like to try here CMD. No, it's not get. I just copy here, come back. So why now it's let me. I would like to restart. I would like to restart this one. So for a let that one let go for a restart. Now let's we would like to I would like to type it as help for a generate. Now for a this is for a Linux. We would like to look here. Let me I just try for a generating as a Linux. I just copy this one. Now let's come back to here as your event. Let's just type here. Now just open here as terminal. In this terminal, let's make it as a little bit big. You just type C, just type here as clear. Now let's just paste it here, enter. Now let's you would like to look here. So a new sessions is established where you can see here 192.168.18.72. So now we would like to look with this Windows. Let's we just try this. So we just type here. Now we would like to open here as CMD. Let's this as CMD. Now we would like to go to your kernel Linux back. Now just entirely so now entirely we just copy this one, come back here. Let's just I made a mistake. Let's close this. CMD. Let's just paste it here. Now I hope I have got here as a connections with 119. I have already got here everything. Now just type here as a sessions. I have got here as an active sessions. One is with the PCPL, with the one is event 2, another one is on Windows. Now you want to connect a sessions. Now you just type here as you want to go to a shell and enter the session ID here. Just copy this one, come back here and just paste it here. Now you just came to your PCPL. Now just type ID. You came to your PCPL, sudo or dip everything. Now that's it. You just type as list minus L, everything you can find here, enter of the list, what else is available in the targeted machine. So it's a little bit time will take out. So I want to quit this one. I just quit here. Now I just type here as a sessions. I have got here as an active session. So it will not be quit this one until unless you're not going to be remove this one. So it will be very good for active bug bounties and penetration testing also. Now we would like to try this one as a Windows. Now what we just utilize this a shell. Now we just need to enter the session ID. So this is my session ID. Next just copy this one. Now just paste it here. We have got it here. Now just type here as directory where we have got it here. Now just come back here as CD as desktop, and you can also upload a files here. Everything. Let's it will interact everything. Now we would like to look at this very carefully. So that's it. So this is how you can utilize this Villian C2 framework. So there is multiple C2 frameworks. Choose a wisely, which is more better and very consistency way to do. That's it. So you try to run, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.